Alright, 6 nickel metal hydride batteries hooked up to the Ekin. No amperage being pulled, 7.5 volts. Turn the system on. Voltage pulled down to 6.9, so voltages are holding. And now what we're going to do is going to turn off the system, because what I did is the battery, I had it completely dead, so right now it shouldn't boot up too much longer. It should die down soon, or maybe not. Yep, left it on too long. See how far it gets. There it is. Now 7.5, 0 amps. Plug it in. Now it's actually showing that it's taking a charge, which I felt was kind of weird. Disconnect power. The on button. Again, we'll see how far the caffeine goes. Turn it on again. Nope. I think it's finally dead. Alright. Plug in the power. So right now, to charge the Ekin looks like a 400 milliampere signal would be enough to actually get a charge going. But why is my drain? Let's watch and see how far it goes down. Voltage seems to be holding pretty good, but as you can see, my current just seems to constantly go down. And as my current drain goes down, my volts start to climb back up. We'll just run for another, let's go with a minute to win it.